Welcome to SalesGator Pro. In this video, we will have an overview of how to make your sales follow-ups simple, efficient, and consistent using SalesGator Pro. SalesGator Pro comes in three types of plans, namely solo, team, and enterprise plans. If you're a freelancer or an independent sales agent, a solo plan would be the best fit for you. Solo plans are for single users. Team plans are suitable for small and medium businesses with an admin user and a team of executives. If your business has multiple branches, locations, or teams, enterprise plans are the ones suitable for you. With enterprise plans, you can add different centers. Each center can have an admin and a team. You can have an organization admin at the top to manage the whole business. Solo, team, and enterprise plans come in two variants, the standard and the advanced. Standard plan has all the necessary features that 80% of SMEs would need. Advanced variant offers some extra features like referrals tracking, extra fields, products, after-sales follow-ups, etc. for the advanced users. In this video, we'll explain the features of Team Standard Plan using an example. Note that, in case of solo and enterprise plans, the core features remain the same. The difference is that solo plans will be limited to just one user, and the enterprise can have multiple centers with their follow-up executives. Let's take the case of a small business, City Cars, a used car dealer. They have an admin and a team of follow-up executives. They generate leads by offline and online ads, and use notebooks and Excel sheets to manage leads and follow-ups. Even though it was okay at the start, now, as the business is growing, managing and tracking follow-ups this way has become very inefficient and difficult. Let's see how City Cars can use SalesGator Pro to simplify their leads follow-up and improve their productivity. Let us get to know some basic concepts used in our app. First one is leads. A lead means contact information of a prospect with the potential of getting a sale. Follow-up is the activity of contacting a lead one or many times with the purpose of closing a sale. Follow-ups are carried out by follow-up executives. Admin is the person who can manage the settings and other members in the app. Admin can add, import, and manage leads in the system, schedule follow-ups, and do a lot more. Note that, in advanced plans, there can be other designations and corresponding team members as well. You can customize SalesGator Pro to match your sales process. There may be different stages in your sales process. You can create these stages in SalesGator Pro to track the current status of leads. Each such stage corresponds to a particular lead status. Sales Funnel gives you the visual representation of various lead statuses and the number of leads that have reached each status. With that basic understanding, let us now try to set up SalesGator Pro for City Cars. This is their sales process. They generate leads through online and offline ads. Then, with follow-ups, they get prospects to the showroom. Next stage is the test drive. Once the prospect is satisfied with that, the next process is to collect necessary documents. And then, close the sale. Before starting to add leads, let us configure the app to suit their business process. We can add different lead sources such as FB ads, Google ads, and local newspaper ads so that we can track these sources when we add leads. The colors we choose here will be used to represent the corresponding sources in the charts in reporting. They run different ad campaigns such as year-end offer, free insurance, and cashback offer. Let us add these campaigns. When we add leads, the campaigns we add here will be available in the drop-down list for campaigns. We can also add some tags to categorize the leads. For example, City Cars categorizes their leads as government employees, private employees, and business owners. We'll add these tags here. According to the chances of a lead resulting in a sale, the system gives us three pre-configured potentials: hot, warm, and cold. You can customize it if you want, but let's just keep it, because that is perfect for City Cars. Next, we will add the required sales stages: showroom visit completed, test drive completed, and document collected. The leads created without scheduling a follow-up will be in the created status. When the first follow-up is scheduled, it moves to the follow-up started status. In the follow-up action, when we mark the sale as completed, the lead is moved to the sale completed status by the system. If we discard the lead during the follow-up process, it will be moved to the discarded status. Each stage we create here will give us a lead status that we can choose to assign to any lead while we do the follow-up before completing the sale or discarding the lead. The number of leads in each of the stages we see here are graphically represented in the sales funnel given in the dashboard. Next, we need to add the follow-up executives to make the daily calls. We can manage the users in the team page. We'll add their executives, Tina, Abid and Prateek. They can now log in using their assigned email and password. Users have the option to update their password in their My Profile page after they log in. Please note that solo plans won't have this option to add team members. Also, enterprise plans will have the additional option to add different branches or centers for their business. Okay, now we are ready to add leads. Admin can import the leads in bulk using an Excel or CSV file, or can add the leads one by one. While adding leads, we can schedule a follow-up or choose to initiate follow-up later. To schedule follow-up, we choose the follow-up date and the executive to whom the lead shall be assigned. If we choose auto-assign, the system will assign the lead to the next follow-up executive in a circular order. The scheduled follow-ups can be viewed in the daily follow-ups page. By default, you get the list of scheduled follow-ups for the current date. You can select any date in the filters to view follow-ups for that day. The calendar gives you a date-wise overview of the scheduled follow-ups. You can click the follow-up count on any date to view follow-ups for that date. The organization admin can view all the follow-ups, while a center admin in an enterprise plan can view follow-ups in their center, and a follow-up executive can view only those assigned to them. You can click a follow-up item to view the details. In our mobile app, the click to call and WhatsApp buttons can be used to make quick messages and calls to the prospect. The entire details regarding the lead can be found in the 3 tabs in the details section. This way, you have all the relevant info right in front of you, just when you need it. You can make the follow-up call and update relevant details like lead status, potential, remarks, etc. in the feedback form. Then, to complete the follow-up task, you should choose one of 3 actions. Mark as sale completed, discard lead, or schedule the next follow-up action. If the sale is completed, you can mark the lead as sale completed. If the prospect is not interested, or you feel it is not worth further follow-ups for any reason, you may discard the lead. If none of these happens, you can schedule another follow-up on a later date. The follow-up task is completed only when you choose one of these actions and submit the corresponding form. Thus, the lead will keep appearing in the daily follow-ups list until either the sale is completed or it is intentionally discarded. This ensures you never miss a valuable lead or forget any follow-up. When the follow-up executives are engaged in their daily calls, the admin can view the dashboard anytime to have an overview of the current performance status. It gives you a summary of today's follow-up tasks, the business potential at hand, the count of active leads, the sales funnel, performance history for the month or year, and also split-ups of leads based on sources, potential, and validity. The performance analysis page gives detailed reports for the current month by default on various parameters like follow-up executives, sources, and campaigns. Advanced plans give you reports on products and referrals as well. All reports can be viewed in tabular form and also as bar charts. You can download the reports as an Excel file. You can adjust filters to get reports for specific periods and criteria. You get all configuration options under the Configurations menu. In the settings page, you have the option to configure some extra settings to customize the app for your workflow. Great job! You're now ready to supercharge your sales process with SalesGator Pro and take your team's performance to the next level. And remember, we're right here to support you every step of the journey.